right, guys, as you enter, this is the kitchen right here. Kitchen area. You get complimentary coffee. Of course, that's my chips. There's a coffee maker. Everything that's in an apartment is in here. Stainless appliances. Right here is washer and dryer hookup. This is the dining area. Another closet. We got some stuff in there. Got an ironing board, iron. This is the living room area. This is actually a fold-out bed. My son is gonna be sleeping right here. Got a flat screen. Nice sofa. Then we head out here. Let me open this. I can't open it. I'm gonna go from the other side. All right, so let's look in the room. This is the room. Have a king size bed. Don't mind my baby stuff. Got another flat screen. Let me show you. You could enter from right here. You could go to the little balcony area. Let's go out there. This is it. This is the view outside. That's the parking lot. This is where I was trying to exit just now, but I couldn't open it. Nice views. Not really, but this is what it's looking like. We're on the 5th floor. Let me close this up. Close these curtains. Let me show you. So here we have this tub right here. I'm gonna make sure I make use of this later on. Little area right there, and then we have the bathroom, a shower. Double sink. And you could exit right here. And this is it, guys. This is it. Hilton SeaWorld. Hilton Vacation Club SeaWorld. Check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you'd like to stay here, I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.